Hello, my name is Tova Gaster, and here is my YouTube problem for number 12, homework 3. First I'm going to run it just so that we can see how it goes, and then I'm going to talk through the code. So here's the code, run module, and then we can see that the turtle is going around and doing the stamps and coming back to the resting position here. So to do that, first we import the turtle module, and then set the window to be the turtle screen, and then set the background color to be light green. And then we instantiate the turtle, which is Tess, and we set Tess's shape to be turtle-shaped instead of arrow-shaped, and we set Tess's color to be blue. Then to create the circle shape, I did a for loop with a range statement. So it's for I in range 12 because there's 12 turtles across the circle. And then first we pick the pen up so that it's not leaving a line as it goes across, and then we bring it forward 100, which is this length. And then we stamp, which is how this shape gets left here. And then with the pen still up, it's backwards 10. And then we put the pen down so that it leaves this line here, and then backwards another 10. And then the pen goes up again so that it doesn't leave a line as we go back 80 to get back to the resting position. And then to go around the circle, then it's test.left 30, so it's a 30 turn angle, which we get because it's 360 divided by 12. And then the for loop repeats, and it goes to the next one, and then all the way around the circle till it comes back to resting position here. Thank you.